Most time when there's talk about castor oil, it's usually because of its uses for the skin or hair. But the truth is, the oil has a range of other important benefits that will surely serve you well. In case you're wondering what some of these benefits are, well, we'll be taking you through 9 uses of castor oil you'll hope someone had told you sooner. Stay tuned. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. Number 1. Can be used as a laxative. This happens to be one of the major uses for castor oil, and it is even approved by the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA. Castor oil can be classified as a stimulative laxative, which means it can help to increase movement of the muscles that push materials through the intestines, and thereby helping to clear the bowels. When castor oil is consumed, it's broken down in the small intestine, in a process where it releases its main fatty acid, ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid is then absorbed by the intestine, which then helps it in stimulating a strong laxative effect. According to several studies, castor oil has been shown to relieve constipation by helping the process of digestion and cleansing the system to allow proper bowel movement. Number 2. To treat joint pains. Away from being pretty good for constipation, castor oil is also commonly associated with treating arthritis. This is due to its anti-inflammatory properties that make it capable of being used as massage oil, which can then be used to relieve joint pain, nerve inflammation, and sore muscles, which are all associated with arthritis. If you're looking to use it for this purpose, then you should consider placing a hot water bag over the place you've massaged, as it helps to relieve pain. Also, doing it frequently every week presents itself as the best way to use it to treat arthritis. Number 3. To get rid of moles and cysts. While it might not be as popular as any of the other two, castor oil can also be used to eliminate moles and cysts by simply dissolving them. In a quite tremendous way, all you need to do is just apply the castor oil with a pinch of baking soda and add it to the affected area, and that should do it. Number 4. Can be used as a moisturizer. Pretty interestingly, castor oil has properties that makes it a natural moisturizer, something which it gets due to the presence of the fatty acid, ricinoleic acid, which is quite high in the oil. According to several studies, fats like ricinoleic acid can be used to moisturize the skin, as they're able to act as humectants, which retain moisture by preventing water loss through the outer layer of the skin. The oil also happens to be one of the components used in cosmetics products like lotions, makeup, and cleanse to promote hydration. It's so good that it can even be considered as a natural alternative to some of the cosmetic products that you'd get from a store. As it's a natural option, you don't get exposed to some of the additives you'd normally find in store-bought products. Number 5. Helps in wound healing. Just like it can help to deal with moles or cysts, castor oil is also capable of promoting the healing and prevention of sores from dying out when it is applied to wounds. In recent times, castor oil has even been added to balms or ointments used in treating wounds. One of the several products where it is used is Ricinoleic, which happens to be a very powerful option if you're thinking of wound dressing for chronic and acute wounds, as well as skin ulcer. It can also help to reduce odors and create a moist environment that promotes healing of the surface where it is applied. Remember, castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce skin inflammation while also helping to reduce pain in people with wounds. Number 6. To induce labor. As castor oil is much of an all-around product, it can also be used to induce labor. In fact, it is something that has been recommended by several gynecologists. When women are in labor, they are usually given the oil to orally consume, as it helps to induce labor by pushing uterus contraction. It is also known to help in delivery due to the activation of a receptor in the uterus by the oil. Several studies are still ongoing to further show how well castor oil can do a good job here. Number 7. Helpful for cleaning and storing dentures. Because it's pretty known that different bacteria and fungi can grow on dentures, castor oil is one of the very good options that can be used in cleaning them and preventing any infections, irritation in the mouth, or even inflammation that would have been caused by growth of these microorganisms on them. Castor oil, however, doesn't just clean them, but it can also help to kill the bacteria and fungi, thus making it a nice option. Number 8. Makes your hair stronger and thicker. If you're interested in long and shiny hair, then you might just want to change whatever you're using and switch to castor oil. Not only does it make your hair grow faster, but it makes it stronger, thicker, and free of dandruff. Castor oil contains antifungal and antibacterial properties, which can help in getting rid of dandruff and also curing scalp infections. If you're also having issues with hair loss, then this might just be the remedy for you. Number 9. Can be used to treat wrinkles. As part of the incredible effects of using castor oil is the fact that it can be used to treat wrinkles. The oil is capable of penetrating into the skin while also boosting the production of collagen, which is associated with softening the skin. In its impressive way, castor oil helps to rejuvenate the skin by making it softer and smoother, hence leaving you without wrinkles. Castor oil offers you more things than you can imagine, and we're glad you know now. It's surely never too late to try it. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, bye.